Alright, I'm gonna go clean this up, and then we'll do the assembly. Alright guys, I got everything cleaned up. Now this one again has a seal in it. That has a lip on it. This side is totally smooth. This side, you can see, has a lip on it. That goes on with the lip. Goes on just like this with the lip. Alright, facing that way. Not this way. Facing that way. Okay. And see, as you can see right there's the lip. Pull that out. There you go. There's the old seal, which actually feels very good. But you never know. Better safe than sorry. And I'll put this on. Yeah, and this, yeah, you might not think that makes much of a difference here, but I'm sorry, trying to do it so that the camera can see everything does make it just that little bit much more difficult. Alright, let me get this, I gotta move, but let me get this seated in here. Alright, now we got all that out and cleaned up. And got the new seal on here and oiled. And of course I oiled this and almost, not quite, but almost forgot about the little seal that's in here. And again, trying to do this for the sake of the camera is difficult. Pardon me. Let me get it started. There we go. There we go. Got my little pick in there. And heck. It's a little rough because I oiled everything like an idiot. So let me get this out. There we go. And same thing with this one. This might be harder to see, but yeah, there you can see it. It has a lip. And in reference to this here, the lip goes down, faces down. So again, it'll spread. Here's the new one. And we're going to put it with the lip down. And once more, instead of fighting with this here where I can't really get a good look and control it, I'm going to kind of do this on my lap. Get this seal in. Okay, we got it. Sorry about that. We got it. Yeah. Drop that piston in there. And then the springs. 1, 2, 3. Skip 2, 4, 5, 6. Skip 2. 1, 2, 3, Put the cover on. Get my little homemade press in here and see how this does. See how that works. And I didn't see where they gave me another C-clip for that, so we'll just use the old one. Now, some of this I don't understand, but then again, I'm just learning. Alright, okay. Center that up a little bit, and again, I'll bring you back once I get the wing nut on. Alrighty, wing nut's on. Now we'll start spinning this thing down, compressing it, and again, this will probably take a few minutes. So unless you just want to keep seeing my arm in your way, I'm going to pause you till I get it compressed all the way down. You get the general idea how it's working. Okay, we have it compressed. Now to feed this in, there we go. Put that over. And again, yeah, a lot of trust in my craftsmanship. Okay, I think we have to go down just a little bit more. There we go. There's a snap. Alright, sorry guys. Had to stop to take care of a family deal here. So, yeah, I got my Nemesis C-clip in. And yeah, nothing's exploding off of here yet. Just in case it does, I won't pause you this time. Go ahead and run this wing nut all the way off. Of course, it takes twice as long since I'm videoing, you know, which is to be expected. And I took this off last time without the camera going. I couldn't stop the thing from spinning. Walked itself right off. There we go. There we go. Okay. As you can see, my buddy, the C-clip, is not hanging up on any of these tabs. It's seated. And looking at the wear marks, it's facing the same way that it came out. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and get 1, 2, 3 friction plates. 1, 2, 3 steels. We're going to go ahead and get some new stuff here. And I believe these are right size friction plates. I have 4 of them. And we'll look at them. Yeah, they seem to be the same ones. I didn't have much of a choice. That's all I had left. So we'll put a steel in. Same with the friction plates. I had 4. Now looks like we only need 3. I'll drop that in. Gonna keep track over on this side. And we'll drop a steel in. We'll drop a friction disc in. Again, I'm just trying to line them up a little bit. Now another steel. Okay. So the friction disc. That's it. And then you put the spacer in. And joy upon joy. Another C-clip. Let's go ahead and fight with this one in here. Get it down here where I can see what I am doing. There we go. This direct drive is now complete. Our direct clutch is complete. Forward clutch pack assembly, sub-assembly, that's complete. So we're going to take a break here. I'm going to get out of the heat for a little bit, and actually I'm going to end this video right here, I believe. If not, you'll see me putting it back together, but I'm going to take a little break right now, and then we'll continue on. Or if not, stay tuned for the next video. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit more before I close out this video. What we're going to do, we're going to put this direct drive drum back on to the forward clutch assembly, and put that aside. I'm going to put it together all as one unit now. So much for trying to line up the clutches. But there we go. Alright. Now, we're going to put this out of the way. This subunit, complete subunit, is done. It's the way I like to do things. I'm doing it a little bit out of order than what I saw and what I've been watching. But my transmission, going to do it my way. Alrighty, I'll bring you back for the next video.